Welcome to PC Error Detective. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to update Java on Windows 10 so your system stays up to date and secure. Step 1. Open your web browser. This could be Chrome, Edge, or Firefox, any browser you usually use. The web browser lets you access websites and download files safely. Step 2. Go to Google and type Java in the search bar, then press Enter. Google helps you find the official Java website quickly, which is important to avoid unsafe downloads. Step 3. Click on the official website, java.com. This is the trusted site where you can download the latest version of Java safely. Step 4. On the Java website, select Java for download. This option ensures you are getting the proper installer for your Windows 10 computer. Step 5. Click the Agree and Start Free Download button. By agreeing, you accept the terms of use and the download will start automatically. Step 6. Once the download is complete, open the setup file by double-clicking on it. This prepares the Java installer to run on your computer. Step 7. If prompted, select Yes to allow the installation. This gives permission for the installer to make changes to your system, which is necessary for updating Java. Step 8. Follow the on-screen instructions and click Install. The installer will update your Java version, and once it's finished, close the setup window and restart your computer to complete the process. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to PC Error Detective for more helpful tutorials.